Now bear in mind that we're testing the whole damn place because I don't have an easy way to test it right now. There's a notable gap under these doors, and this front door up here would require that the door bracket be pulled. I figured I might add a little bit here and do a zonal on this conditioned space versus the warehouse. So, stand by. I would say we're notably connected to the other space. We're negative pressurizing, and I should see some pretty notable change in pressure